Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shruti Kirti and you are watching Shruti Kirti's YouTube channel. So welcome back. It has been so long and I'm pretty excited for this one. So yeah, today's video, as the name suggests, is all about Nykaa's new launch, just the almond butter range. So Nykaa has actually launched a lot of variants, like they have cherry blossom, French, they have Mediterranean sea salt, they have country soul. I basically loved Mediterranean sea salt because it was very, fresh, and it has the sea salts in it, which I'm personally a big fan. So today we are going to basically go around and see how this almond oil range exactly is. So yeah, stay on this channel to find the final review points. So today I'm gonna unbox this very nice, pretty and beautiful almond oil range for you all guys. So I am gonna open it in front of you. Okay, so it has all the almond oil range that we always crave for. Okay, this is the whole kit, how it looks like. So we have yogurt, we have shower gel, we have body milk, we have body butter, we have scrub, we have the body lotion, etc. So as we all know that California is the largest almond oil producer in the world, and this whole kit is derived from there. And also, if I talk about the benefits of almond oil range, I have it opened on my phone. So I could easily tell you that it has very nice benefits for your skin, because it has the nutritional value, it improves the complexion, and it is also valuable that hydrates the balances of your, it also helps to balance the absorption of moisture and water loss. So I have a lot of reactions on all these products that I've actually used. So firstly, I'm going to give you a detailed review on which product we should use first, or which product should go with the drier skin tone, the oily skin tone, or the combination skin tone. So yeah, let's get started for that. Talking about this shower gel, I have seen a lot of shower gels that does not lather well or lather too much. It gives too much of bubbles, and it is very compatible with the hard water, but this is very smooth in lather. It also radiates your skin. My skin felt very plump and refreshed after using it. When coupled it with this almond milk, it actually gave me a lot of nutty and refreshed and almond oil smell, which was really nice, because I am a big nature friendly person, and I love all the products that smell so natural. As you can see in my background, I am someone who loves nature. So you can easily make out that if you really like nutty and amazing almond smell, you're gonna love it. So quickly diving in the ingredients list, I do not see any harmful ingredients in the shower gel as well as in the body lotion. It has a disodium EDTA, but I don't think so that is very harmful when it comes to your body, because you're not applying it on your face. And it has almond oil. It does not even mention the almond oil range, like how much percentage of almond oil is there, but it has this aloe barbadensis extract, which is really nice for your skin. It smoothens your skin, provides anti-inflammational properties, and it also has anti-aging properties in it. So this is really nice. And if you talk about this, it also has disodium EDTA in lower quantities, but I don't think so the quantities are mentioned. It has glycerine, it has aqua, it has sodium laureth sulfate, which I think is not that bad, but it lathers really nice, and the particles present in it are actually one of the most amazing things. So the scrub packaging, if I talk to you is really nice. It is very smooth, simple packaging. It is very smooth and it is very transparent. You are able to see if how much product is left in your bottle, which is really nice. However, it is not that travel friendly because if you just open it, the scrub might come out. So do not travel it using this bottle. Travel it using it in a small travel friendly bottle. But if I talk about the price range and if I talk about the ingredients present in it, it is quite good. It has sweet almond oil, it has aloe vera extract, it has glycerine, propionyl glycol. So I actually wanted to show you the demonstration, so let's go right there. Now, as you already know, the two kinds of experimental demonstrations I already showed you about the texture, how it feels like, etc. Let's go dive and identify what product you should use and what duration and what are the benefits and what are the variants that you can use in different multiple weather conditions. Okay, so now if I talk about the almond oil, this almond oil body milk. So body milk has more of a oil content than water content. The body lotion has more of a water content than the oil content. So this is usually used if you are having the shower with your shower gel, just to apply it and feel moisturized right above. You can use this. But if you have done a lot of supposedly scrubbing and you have tightened and cleansed your pores, you can use body milk and body yogurt. So this is so this is body yogurt and this is the almond oil body milk. So the basic difference between this milk and this yogurt is you can use it while immediately after you have your shower on. Like, it does not take much of the time to absorb in your skin. It absorbs in your skin readily. And also, if there are humid conditions, if you feel that you do not want to go greasy and you have a perfect combination to oily skin type, you can use this, as this has very natural benefits and will easily absorb to your skin. Now, using a body milk is comparatively different from using a body yogurt. Why? Because it has higher amounts of oil-based textures, and this is very suitable in humid areas or in summer areas where you would not like to have a lot of greasy textured, a lot of oily skin on your surface. So you can use body milk. So both of them have quite capacities to make your skin moisturized, but I would really go for body yogurt because this actually goes to your skin. I'm gonna show you both how it looks like for both because the demonstration wasn't there. So if I talk about this, it has a very nice pump bottle, which I'm a fan of. When the brands take this initiative to provide you with such good amount of packaging, it really makes my day. So like this, oops, some got on my chest area. So yeah, so as you see, it's very watery and it just goes to your skin. When you have a lot of humidity, so when there are a lot of humidity, you can use this. But I personally use body yogurt because that provides me immense moisturization. This has equal amounts of moisturization. But if I talk about body yogurt, can you see that? It is proper gel-like texture. So when do you really want to use gel-like texture is when you have patchy skin tone, or if you have sunburns and it is a point where there are summers, you don't want to put that greasy hard moisturization, but at the same time you want a lot of moisturization on your body because maybe you just went out on a beach and maybe you had that sunburns. So this gives immense moisturization. So now there are two variants. You have to decide if you want to go with intense moisturization, both useful for summers. If you want to go for intense moisturization, you have a very combination to oily skin type, you use this. And if you want to know that if you want to just go with the normal to medium type of moisturization, and if you have a combination skin tone, not oily, you can use this. Really impressed by this very smooth, very silky smooth and amazing packaging. You can always keep this in your bathtub or around your bathtub or near your shower area, and it looks really nice. If you have that woody ambience, what I'm talking about, right? If you have that woody ambience, and that shower is kept on that woody furniture, and you have some wooden racks also around, you can just keep this over there. It looks very nice. Firstly, I love the smell. I just love the kind of texture it has and the kind of amazing smell it has. And the smell of the shower gel, the scrub, the moisturizer stays for more than 2 to 3 hours. I'm not kidding. I tried using both of them as the demonstration suggested. It did stay for 2 to 3 hours. So if you can look at the texture of this, so I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna waste it. So if you just try to see, it is very thick. This moisture is very thick. So if you have like really Sahara Desert type of skin, you can use this moisturizer. I am sure that your skin will be moisturized more than 24 hours, because this kind of moisturization is highly dense and it is not at all greasy. I have seen a lot of moisturizers which are thick, dense, and they are so greasy that it just destroys your days. But this is not. This is quite nutty in fragrance. It's very moisturizing and it will take care of your dry, damp Sahara Desert skin tone. Okay, so after telling you how the moisturizations are different, after giving you the demonstrations, I think it's the time for the final review. So finally reviewing the almond oil range in 5 points. The first point is the smell of this variant is really nice. It actually suits the people who loves natural and very nice and very low smell. They don't like very fruity fragrance, and they are okay with natural essence. Second thing that I really liked is the variant of this body yogurt. Body yogurt actually feels amazing when applied on the body. I have tried amazing body yogurts, but the kind of texture it has is pleasant and is very nice. Now talking about the third point, which is very essential, that they have amazing texture in terms of the body scrub. So now if I compare the body scrub of any other variant, it is equally the same. So now if I compare it with M Caffeine body scrub, I think I personally feel that it has glycerin in it, so it actually moisturizes your skin while scrubbing it. So that actually none of the brands that I have come across does, apart from Body Shop and apart from Bath and Body Works. I think these are actually one of the most high priority products. They are high quality products available in a lower range, which I think is amazing. If you want to go to Bath and Body Works and spend so many $1,000 and you get the same amount of quality, the same amount of moisturization, and the same amount of skincare, I think spending less and getting more is something that I would go for. So yeah, this is something that I really loved about the almond range. Last but not the least, I really like their packaging. Apart from this shower gel, which has this top bottom, so it cannot be used, because once it opens, it will actually destroy all your clothes and everything that is kept between that. And if you want to just carry it on, put it a tape, it will not bother much. But yeah, apart from the packaging of this shower gel, I actually liked a lot of products with the packaging. The whole range is really nice in terms of the packaging, because I really liked these products. And this has huge amount of product in it, and it cost for just $550. I don't think so most of the brand do that. So yeah, kudos to Nykaa for doing this. And yeah, that's it guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like the video, and I really enjoyed making it because I actually bathe with both the kinds of products. I bathe with the shower gel, I bathe with the scrub, and I actually felt really nice, and I love the smell of both the products. Not forget to subscribe, like and share the video. It will mean the world to me. Thank you so much. See you next time.